Happy Valentine's Day, Mouse by Lauren Numeroff. Mouse is making valentines for his friends. He wants each one to be just right. He loves Pig because she's a good dancer. Mouse loves Moose because he's such a good artist. He loves Cat because he's so strong. And Dog because he is always happy to see his friends. He loves Bunny because she's the best at hide and seek. And Fox, even though she's not. Mouse can't wait to give out his Valentines. Who's at the door? Happy Valentine's Day, Mouse. What is your favorite Valentine's Day candy? I hope you enjoyed this story. Check out my other stories and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.